Let's bring in Vice President of Operations at Team Rubicon, Mike Watkins. Mike, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us about how Team Rubicon comes into play when it comes to this particular snowstorm, what the response will be, and what challenges you predict people will face.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for having me. The challenges that we think that we'll face will really be the snowfall initially, the weight on the trees, and obviously all the homeowners without power going into the next 2 days. The snow will remain over the next 48 hours, and then it'll continue to melt. So really the secondary, tertiary effects once the snow hits, the weight on the trees, the down power lines, the loss of heat, water, and those type of things. Pipes will freeze where people have lost their power, and then the result of that storm and those effects going forward. So we have worked with the Department of Sanitation and Emergency Management within New York City to help with, you saw some of the pictures flash across the screen as far as shoveling out, and it'll really be neighbors helping neighbors for the next 48 hours until they can open up the pathways and allow people to get in. And then we will work with local emergency management, Department of Sanitation across the Northeast, as well as local volunteers to see where we can best fit in and see how we can continue to help.
Mike, walk us through the logistics of something like this from your perspective, because you are all very, very highly trained, former military, former law enforcement. You guys there know what you're doing in an emergency, but how do you balance all the variables here? You got down trees, you got down power lines, you got a lot of wind, and you're trying to do all this in now feet of snow. Seems like it's a safety issue for everybody involved. How do you navigate this, Mike?
No, it is a safety issue, and that is one of obviously safety is a huge consideration with any operation. So really it's working with that local emergency management to make sure that we don't become part of the disaster. So it's really a meticulous process, but again, without being too risk adverse and still trying to help people that are in the most need. So it will be a process, but it'll be one that is communicated, coordinated across other lines, and make sure that we don't become part of the problem.
Of course. Mike, before we go, any advice to those of us who could be stuck in our homes for a while? You mentioned hunker down for 48 hours, but any advice for those of us who probably have to do that starting now?
Yeah, the real advice comes with preparation. We're now into the storm, so it's just like thinking through contingencies. It's really, if I lose my heat, if I lose my power, where can I go? What can I do? And who can I reach out to? So those would be the biggest pieces of advice. And then also grabbing a shovel and getting out and helping your neighbor. So that's what it comes down to. If people want to volunteer with Team Rubicon or to help donate, they can go to teamrubiconusa.org. We're always looking for more volunteers, and we'll be out and about throughout this winter storm, kind of pressing forward.
That's exactly right. People helping people, and it's what Team Rubicon is all about. So we thank you so much for joining us this morning and for the good work that you do. Mike, have a good day, safe day, and we appreciate your time.
Yeah, it's a great day to be a gray shirt. Thank you.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.